Aloha. One of the most important things as a buyer or seller is to know if a property is priced right, and that's what this compare column is for. So I'll click it here on one of the listings, and you can see what it did is it automatically brought up what's called comparables. It selected sold for 2 years, same bedrooms, baths. It selected a living square feet, where the living square feet is in the range, a floor number, because in this case it was a condo, property condition, and the same building name. So here you have all the good comparables, and there's one other place you can get it from. So when you're looking at a listing here, you can also hit the instant comparables, and it does the same thing. So this is extremely helpful for sellers deciding what price to charge for their property, and also for buyers to decide if a property is priced right. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye now.